Hey guys! What's up all my tops, bottoms, and girls of the world? Kenneth here, and I am back for another video. And today's video is October's tutorial. I haven't did like a legit makeup tutorial in a minute. Like I've been doing a whole bunch of get ready with me lately and stuff like that. And somebody had commented under those get ready with me, and they was like, you just forgot about makeup tutorials, huh? October is here, which means fall is here, which means Halloween is in like a few weeks, and then it's the time when you get spooky and stuff. So I definitely wanted to do a look that was inspired by the month of October. Like when I think of October, this right here, this is what I feel. Okay, this is what I feel. I want to look like this all throughout October. I don't really got no brows. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I ain't really got no brows today. I use black eyeshadow, so it look like I got brows, but I ain't really got no brows. But it look like I got brows. Does it look like I got brows? I don't know. Whatever. I'm about to shut up and let you. Okay, I'm about to shut up. I'm about to let you guys enjoy this tutorial. Everything that I use in it is listed down below. And if you have any questions, ask down below. 1 second, before we even start, I need to drink some of this tea. The weather is changing. My sinuses and allergies, So I've already started on my face like I do all my tutorials. I did one eye off camera just so we could save time. I'm gonna show you how to achieve the eye though. I have my base on, as you can see, and I have my eyebrows covered up. I've always wanted to do, you know, a little look while my eyebrows was just covered up. Now, I didn't record me covering up my eyebrows, but if y'all want me to like do another look while I cover up my eyebrows again, like something even more dramatic than what this is about to be, comment down below. Even though there's like hundreds of tutorials on how to cover up your brows, so just go look at those honestly. But if y'all want it from me and how I got my eyebrows covered, comment down below and let me know. But we just gonna move on to the face. So the main palette that I'm using is this little palette right here. This is a really cute palette. It comes from this brand Stilazzi. They're really sweet people. I've met them a few times, and they keep telling me I need to come in and record something for them. But yeah, I be doing stuff, but I'm gonna go in and record something for them soon. This is the Spellbound palette. Now I was gonna use this palette right here, but this black, for some reason, it looks more navy blue, because I've really been loving this palette lately, but it's more like a dark blue than black. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, okay, y'all don't care. First, I'm going to go into Hot Spring. So I'm just gonna take a large fluffy brush like this. It's like this burnt orange color or whatever. It's orange, that's orange. And I'm going to lightly just dust this in like the same motion how I did this over here, just like this. This eye look is honestly not that complicated at all. It's literally like what I usually do, but it's just more dramatic, okay? So it should look a little something like this when you are done. And now I'm moving on. Next, I'm gonna take this brown shade right here. This is called Chocolatier. The next one I'm going to be doing is taking the black in here. I'm just gonna take my finger, honestly, and I'm gonna pat this all over my eyelid, and then we go get to blending later. So it's gonna look a little messy at first, but the look is gonna come together, trust me. As you probably seen in the opening scene already, that yeah, it's gonna look good, but it's gonna look a mess at first. And that's how life, oh, why did I do this? I went a little overboard. We go clean it up. Okay, it's okay. Then I'm gonna take another brush, and I'm gonna get in this brown and a little in the black, not too much, but more so in the brown. And we're going to blend out the edges, sis. Now I could truly make this a lot neater than what I'm doing, but because the rest of the face is going to be so polished, this is not gonna be the neatest, okay? Before you add the glitter and stuff, it should look a little something like this. The key to this look is honestly just blending. Just blend until you get the look that you wanna achieve, okay? The glitter that I'm using today comes from MAC, both of them. I'm using the MAC Dazzle Shadow, the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in the color Blinking Brilliant, and then I'm going to also take a Yellow Gold. It's a loose pigment glitter from MAC or whatever, and you'll see what I'm gonna do with that in a few. I'm gonna take the glitter, I'm gonna start it in my inner corner like this. one of the brushes that I was blending with earlier, and we're going to blend the glitter out a little bit so it can look like it's just like dispersing on the eyelid. To add even more dimension or whatever, I'm going to take an even lighter glitter. This is the loose pigment in yellow gold, and I'm going to take this one. I'm going to dip it right in there just like that. It's on the applicator now. Blow off any extra stuff, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner just to add like a little more dimension to this look and make it look even more sickening. This has been one of my favorite mascara, whatever y'all, however you want to pronounce it. This has been one of my favorite mascaras since I started doing makeup. This is the Light Flashes and Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I've been using this for at least 3 years now. Then I'm just gonna take some black liner and go in my waterline. Now I'm about to go put on a lash, and I would sit here and tell you which lash it is, but I honestly don't remember where I got these lashes. But they're decently dramatic. All right, lash on. Okay. So this side may look slightly more cleaner than this side. It actually does not. But I have concealer on already under my eye over here just because I want to see how it's gonna look or whatever. So I'm about to go in with the same concealer and put it under my eye and highlight the rest of my face. The concealer I'm using is a little lighter than the concealer I would normally use because it's October, and you know, the girls like to get a little more, you know, like a little more dramatic around this time of the year. I look crazy. Let's go blend this out. It look like I am in the business of doing white face, darling. Oh my God. I'm just gonna take a little pressed powder. That's my actual skin tone. That's probably a little darker than my skin tone actually. And we're gonna go back in here and give myself a little bit more color because for 3 seconds, I didn't know what color was. I see how I'm starting to look real sickening already. And I'm gonna go in and start snatching the nose a little bit. I will forever be a nose legend. Y'all can't tell me otherwise. I mean, a legend period, but a nose legend for sure. Shout out to my nose legends. My nose looks skinny. It's not gonna look that bad though. It's not gonna look that skinny when I'm done though. Not on my watch. I'm still ethnic. Only place I wanna look super bright is under my eyes. Like I wanna do that on purpose today. Like people don't be doing that on purpose sometimes, and they be claiming they be doing it on purpose, but I'm really doing it on purpose today. Like this is the only place I wanna look like super light, so. Let me get up in the rest of my face with some nice bronze, darling. And I'm more so my skin tone now, like this is popping. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna go and set all of this powder with a little Fix Plus. This is Fix Plus, it's just in a different bottle. I'm actually scared as to if this is gonna loosen up the glue that's on my eyebrows or not. Hopefully it don't. If it do, this will turn into a new look. So the contour today is going to be a little dramatic, but not too dramatic. Because you know I like dramatic contours. I don't like that. It can't be that dramatic. This is the only time of the year where harsh contour is acceptable. I've been really into taking my contour like down a little bit. It makes your neck appear a little longer. If I got any photos of my neck look about long as fuck, it's because of this trick, I promise you. It works in photography. I don't know if it's, you can tell the difference on camera, but when you taking pictures, that right there, girl, you look I think this look deserves a wig. Honestly, truly. Okay, so now I'm about to go underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take that orange that we were using up there earlier. I'm gonna take that orange, I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the brown, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. We're gonna go start highlighting. Now I'm about to layer some highlighters on, okay? When I say I'm about to layer some highlighters on, I'm about to layer some highlighters. First highlighter that I am using is going to go right here. And this is from MAC. It's in the color superb. By the way, everything that I use will be listed down below. Now I need a gold highlighter, but I don't know which one. I don't know which gold highlighter I want to use. I don't know if I want to use this gold highlighter from Melt or if I want to use my trusty dusty Dior. And I think I'm just gonna use this one from Melt because I don't really use it like that, and it's actually a really good highlighter, and it reminds me a lot of the one from Dior, and I'm running out of the one from Dior, so we just gonna save that because I need to be able to say that I have Dior on my face. Even though they send me PR, so I'm pretty, if I email them, they'll send me some else, so yeah, I'm good. I've been really into highlighting the chin lately just because it looks really good in pictures. So I think I want to go there, and I think I'm gonna use an orange blush. I'm actually going to be taking this orange blush. It's called Mango Tango. It's from Stilazzi, the same brand, the eyeshadow that I use or whatever. I have been obsessed with this little blush palette or whatever I have. They got another one that I'm even more obsessed with, but this one cute too. And I'm feeling like I should be blush heavy today. So we're just gonna go and build this blush up. I definitely want to be blush heavy. Or that might be as heavy as I get, I don't know. So do I want to do like something like this, or do I want to do something else gray? Either way it go, I'm gonna put a gloss over it. Actually, before I even apply this, because I don't want y'all to see everything yet. Okay, so don't look at me. Don't look at me, don't look at me. I'm gonna go finish. I'm gonna put on the wig real quick. And voila. I topped it with Diamond Milk from Fenty Beauty or whatever, one of my new favorite glosses. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun creating it. If y'all want me to do like more creative looks and stuff like that, that's like up my alley, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below. If you had any specific questions, ask down below in the comment sections. I do read all comments. I'm letting you know, I'll be reading all the comments. I see all y'all comments. I be knowing some of y'all names, and when y'all be commenting, I'll be like, I know you, okay? I'm about to go, but I love you guys. As always, be sure to flip your hair. Even if you don't have any hair, be sure to flip it after you get done flipping your hair. Make sure you feel like you are that bitch, because we are all those girls of the world. Even if you don't feel like you're the bitch, I'm gonna tell you that you are the bitch. If you feel like you are the bitch, continue being a bitch. I love all of my Kindles so much, and I'll see all of my babies in the next video. As always, stay flawless.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and fuck you.
Hey, posing, drinking all the bottles of Patron. Drive these niggas crazy cause they know they can't control me. A hottie, a model body, super Armani, I'm shining. If you looking, ain't that hard to find me. Yeah, Stelly is a player.